Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up, and it is what am I reading? And of course, I finished my new junk journal that I will be using for AJournalMood, which starts on November 1st. So the calendar is on my Instagram. It is also on my blog. So go check it out and you'll see the words. 30 words, and in this celebration of the 4th anniversary. So I'm a little bit out of breath, guys, because I just ran up the stairs. I don't know why I did that. So before I get into the journal and what I'm reading, I got some more book mail. Again, I literally just took them out of the box, don't know what they're about. So I'm just going to show you. And as I read them, I will tell you what they're about. So we have this one. This one I've seen a lot of, and the reviews weren't that great, but we'll see. This one had my eye on, and I did intend on reading this one for sure. This one I've never heard of, but I thought the cover was actually beautiful. The History of Difficult Child. Never heard of it, but I like the cover. It's really nice. I think this might be a YA for sure. This one is another one that I like the cover. Again, Hush Harbor. I don't know what it's about, but I just took them out of the box. And here's another one. Now this one I'm probably going to put on my November nonfiction because, you know, there's a little drama with him right now. So I figure I might want to read this just to get into his head a bit. And that is Jeezy, of course. So this one is going to be read in November, along with, I have 2 nonfiction that I want to read in November. And then we have this one. This one, the cover is actually very good. Don't know. It's a novel. It says a novel. Ooh, this cover is nice though. You know, I like covers like this. So yeah, don't know what it's about, guys, but those are the book mail that I received. I am reading The Booker, so I'm still reading Bee Sting. Now I'm a good chunk in. Now today is Friday. I took today off work, so I'm a 3-day weekend. So I'm gonna keep going because I am enjoying this. Like, I am absolutely enjoying this. This story is told in perspective of a family. So you're starting off with the daughter. You are then you get to the son, and now you are getting the mother's background story. It was cleverly done because of how it started off. I was like, huh? But her background story, how she ended up marrying the husband, was quite interesting. And it's building up because it's going a little back into certain things, but it is building up to the fact that this family now is broke. The father was a horrible businessman, and with the economy how it was in the storyline, didn't help, and they're poor, and they're trying to get the grandfather, which is the husband's father, to help because he's wealthy. But there's a little background with that as well that is like, I like Family Saga. I was rooting for this one, so I'm so happy that I took my time and eventually started really get into it and really starting to love this story because I'm trying to figure out where it's going. I get why it's so chunky because, again, it is focusing on multiple perspectives in a family. So I will talk more about this as I go. I am hoping, because I'm not reading anything else, but I do feel like I can finish this for sure. It reads very easily. It's not a difficult book. And it's an easy book to actually follow. You're not going to be, feel like get confused it's not that kind of story. It's just an epic family saga. So yeah, gonna continue reading this one, and yeah, love it. All right, so I am currently using this. This is my junk journal. It is coming to an end. It is coming to an end. I literally have, I think, I have just enough pages left to last me until the 31st. And so, of course, I needed to get a new one. And so I started making it this week. Now, before I even go there, guys, this has been a trying week for me. Absolutely trying week. I think this is probably the most difficult week I've had all year. Like, that's to sum it up. On top of work level stressing me out, I have a sty on my eye. It was just not a good thing, and now it's like I'm doing this video and I'm hoping it's not doing something crazy because I felt a little fuzzy. But I have glasses on, so I'm hoping you can't see it. I'm hoping it's not showing up. So that just made my mood sour, and that's another reason why I took today off. I needed to vent. This week was a really venting week for me, and what I love is making junk journal in the middle of my chaotic week. You know, beside my friends are cheerful and, you know, making me smile and easy to vent and talk to. But journal, yeah. So I didn't know exactly what kind of journal I really wanted to make. It was more like I wanted to have a vintage but a soft, elegant kind of look, and this is what I came up with, guys. So this is the junk journal I'm going to be using. So as you can see, it has lace everywhere. So I'm going to be putting on my tripod and go through it. I have the card in the back. So this one I'm going to, this weekend, make the AJournalMood November card. And that's what I usually put in the back. So there's a couple of blank cards you'll see throughout this. But I will show you in the video when I set it up and you get more detail. I also treated myself to a fountain pen as if I didn't just get one, but I needed this. This is my cheer up. This is cheer me up moment. And it is another vintage looking feather pen. So yeah, and it has all this crystal looking on there. I never use these extra nibs. I have so many of these kind of nibs. I never use them. But I like the ink that these come with. The ink is always good that they come with. Even though there's these pens are inexpensive, the ink is what I always love to get because I can't seem to buy the ink alone. And then it comes with a nice base. So I'm gonna set it up. Here we go. And get my ink out. All right. Reason why I'm going to be doing a spread as well, like a quick spread. But let me put my tripod up so you can get a more closer look to my stuff. I also got a new mic, guys. This is a new mic, and it better treat me good because the first time I used it, it wasn't on. So yeah. All right. All right, so this is the box it comes in, as you can see. So it's pretty cool how it's packaged. All right, so here we go. Ooh, give you a close up. Like, just look how perfect it is going to be with this journal. Like how perfect is this? I just thought the color, and let's zoom out a little. Okay, there we go. I just thought the color of this and this is just going to be so nice. And of course, it fits perfectly in the holder. And then of course, this is the ink it comes with. And yeah, has the suction. So, all right. So I put this card in there temporarily because this is going to get decorated so at some point. But I put it in there so you can see that it is a pocket in the front, which is going to be perfect for later on. But yeah, so that's what that is. But as you can see, it is lace. It is lace all over. Lace all over. This is gray. I've never had gray. I made gray for someone else. And guys, if y'all see hole in this top, disregard. This is my markup dress. And I don't know what to do with it because I don't want to waste it. So I wear it as a house dress. And so at some point, I just noticed that it had a hole to when I was getting ready to, yeah. But this is my markup dress, so disregard. Anyway, so this is the lace and of course the pocket in the back, which I love to do when I do the, of course this is a brown paperback. As you can see, I did something different this time with the closure. So here you have the 2 holes I had to put in here for the elastic. And of course, this is the closure, which I'm going to love. And it's stretchy, so as this grows, it will still be able to close it. So as you can see, and here you go. So you can see. So I love using this and I like the button. And it was just a nice touch for this floral, very feminine kind of journal. So all right, let's get in here. So in here, it is green. I have pockets here, and of course I put a card because again, you know I decorate my card as the days go by in the challenge. And of course here is another pocket. And I have of course cards in here. And you can see it is a button here. It is the button that's holding the band, the elastic band. I also have a pocket back here, so I just stuff one. And I put lace here just because, just to hide a little bit and cover some of the markings that I have here from when I was putting the green things in. The front is very simple. I didn't do anything over the top, but I just have a button here, and just how I like it. So pocket here. So now I'm gonna speed through some of this, but then when we get to some area I want to talk about, I will just slow it down. So this is something again I've never done, where I've used this cover. So then when I journal here, it will have a cover, and then this would be my collage that I will make. All right. This is another paper that I love, and it's gonna be nice to put something on top. Not necessarily to write on, but yeah. This is something new I've never done, is putting booklets on the side of some of the pages. So this, I was inspired to do this because I wanted to do some poetry in November. I wanted, and I feel like this booklet would be nice to like add poetry in my journal. Okay, I have another page here. And pockets. I absolutely like this. Thought this was pretty cool. Alright guys, it writes very similar to the one I had before. I think it's the same brand. It's just looks different, but it writes just the same. The nib is small, so of course it doesn't pick up a lot of ink, so I do dip more, but that doesn't bother me. Yeah, so that's it guys. I got my journal of the day out the way, and I got to show you some stuff. So yeah, all right guys, let me know if you are going to be doing a journal mood, and I will see you guys in a few days. I am going to be doing some shorts. There will be some shorts, some more shorts on here, of course, leading up to that. I am doing NaNoWriMo. I just literally this morning was just thinking more about it, and I have a story to write, and I also have a title, which is what's driving the storyline, which is going to be interesting. But we'll talk about that in another video. So I will be recording this weekend of NaNoWriMo prep and projects and stuff that I want to do in November. Yeah, we almost at the end of the year, and gearing up to me doing a lot more videos. You guys know I record a lot towards the end of the year, and I have to get my mind right. All right, and yeah, give me good vibes guys. I need it. This week was just tough. It was tough. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye.